It's Friday Fun Day! How's your week so far, everyone? I hope you're having a blast. For today's video, we are going to make dessert toppers using air dry clay. This is the clay I am using, and by the way, not sponsored. I got this in my local art store, and as I checked, you can also buy this online. I prefer using air dry clay as this kind of clay hardens and cures at normal room temperature, and once dry, it can be painted and decorated in a variety of ways. This type of clay is ideal for beginners and for a lot of easy and fun craft projects. I had this clay for weeks now, and it has been exposed in air for many times. This made the clay a bit dry but still manageable. Knead the clay to soften it with the warmth of your hands and by adding a little bit of water. It is important to keep the clay moist so we can work faster and to maintain its flexibility. Keep on kneading the clay until you can shape it easily. This may get a little bit messy, so I suggest keep a damp cloth on the side to wipe your hands every now and then. Let's start making our first clay creation. These luscious, fresh, red, sweet strawberries, adjectives. Get a chunk of clay, big enough to your liking, set aside and cover the leftover clay so it won't dry up. You know the drill, add a bit of water to the clay if needed, then roll it into a ball. Keep on rolling the clay into an egg-like shape, pay close attention to how I made it, continue doing this until you are satisfied with the shape. On a smooth surface, press down the wider side of the egg-shaped clay to create the top part of the strawberry. Smooth the rough edges with your thumb to create a realistic and plump strawberry. Here I'm just making an indent on the top using a dotting tool, or you can use a pin if you don't have any clay tools available. With any pointy object you have, create the strawberry seeds. Now that we have the basic shape, let's now create a sliced in half strawberry and see how it looks inside. With a box cutter or a sharp blade, carefully cut the strawberry in half. Work in small sections while turning the clay piece to prevent squishing it and lose its shape. With this, you'll get a perfect cut. Smooth the rough parts again with your fingers and a bit of water. You'd want to reshape and make the half pieces as raw looking as possible if you want it to look a bit realistic. Anything that is made naturally like a strawberry has imperfections and it adds up to its unique quality. Just like every one of us, we are unique in our own special way. Focus on how I reshape and smooth this piece, and I'll stop blabbering about it. What makes a dessert stand out from anything else? You're right, an icing on top. To create an icing, just repeat the same steps we did when making the strawberry. The only difference is, this time we are making a cone shape. If you don't have any clay tools, you can use a popsicle stick or the dull side of the blade for this part. Create the icing swirl by pressing your tool lightly while slowly turning the clay on an angle. This way we'll achieve a more realistic and authentic frosting. What other thing adds as an accent to a dessert? A leaf frosting clay dessert topper. Start with a small ball of clay, flatten it lightly, and reshape it into a teardrop shape. Adjust the length of the leaf until you are satisfied with its form. Using a clay tool, add marking to the leaf to create the veins and the side ridges. And that's it! It's the easiest one for this video. Working with air dry clay, usually it takes overnight or shorter for it to completely harden, depending on how thick and big your creations are. What else is missing here? Aha! Our creations needs color. Let's now start painting. Prepare your popsicle stick and masking tape. This will help painting our creations faster and easier. Air dry clay can be painted using tempera paints or acrylic paints. I am a huge fan of acrylic paint since it comes with a variety of bright colors, and acrylic dries faster compared to any other paints. I usually mix my own colors, so if you are in a tight budget, just buy 3 primary color plus black and white paint to adjust the lightness or darkness of the hues you want to create. For the icing, you can paint it in chocolate brown, minty green, citrusy yellow, or strawberry pink. I decided to stick with the classic white icing. I still painted this with the white paint because the clay once dried turns out to be this light yellow cream color. For the strawberries, I just painted the outside part with this luscious red color. Now, working onto these sliced pieces, we wanted to replicate a real strawberry. I achieved this by brushing my paint lightly from the sides towards the center. Make sure your brush has less paint on it to make the color fade as it goes to the center. Repeat the same step on the core of the strawberry, creating a fan-shaped brush strokes, this time from the center outwards. This way, we recreate how a real strawberry looks like. And finally, paint the seeds with this golden yellow color with a toothpick. Once everything is dried, you can opt to add varnish to your creations, or just leave it as is. I don't have any varnish, so I guess we are done with this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like or a comment below. It does help me a lot if you like the video to reach a bigger audience, and I really appreciate all of your comments. Tag me photos or just tag me with any of my social media accounts. I hope you're having a great day, everyone. Have fun, enjoy more art, and stay creative.